Yes.
Look at her.
Look at her. She's like, what in the world? Hi, sweetheart. She's looking all around. Look at her.
Hey.
That's good.
Hey.
It's good because that paper came out.
Did you get my pen?
No, I didn't take the time. 1532.
Turn you around this way so you can get a good picture.
Hey, little girl.
It's wide open. Good.
Oh, I know.
Warmer blankets while you're taking a picture because these are kind of thick a little bit.
Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. I'm right here.
On my desk, they're looking at the here.
I know. And you were worried about pushing.
Look at all that dark hair. She's ready for bows.
We've got plenty of them.
Yeah, we do.
And flowers for her head.
Yeah.
I love those giant bows that look like as big as the baby's
big
head.
as it will drive me crazy. We have a couple, but I don't think she's going to be wearing them. It's not until her
good.
head gets bigger.
I love
Well, once
those.
that happens, then she can pull them right back off. That's true. We have some friends that have a 1-year-old little girl, and they've done it since she was born.
Now I'm going to be poking around a little bit. I shouldn't hurt you.
If it hurts, hit your button.
She looks pretty long.
Hey, to admit a baby. Baby Cannon. C-A-N-N-O-N.
Wow.
Oh, you still there?
We don't ever call them
Born
first
at
name anymore.
1532. Baby girl. Going to newborn nursery for Dr. Copeland.
Maybe we could put this with some warm water in one of those spring sponges.
Sure. Oh, this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, got it. Thank you so much.
Can I hold her?
Yeah.